Hello, welcome to eCBSC online classes. In this video, we will be covering pair of linear equations in two variables for class 10th. The topic is elimination method to solve pair of linear equations in two variables. It is part F video in the series. In this video, we learn about method of elimination to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables. You may recall that in the earlier videos, we have learnt about method of substitution to solve pair of linear equations, right? The method of elimination is slightly faster and simpler compared to method of substitution. Please take a note of that. Let us solve a pair of linear equations 7x minus 15y equal to 2 and x plus 2y equal to 3 using method of elimination here. To do that, let's multiply the second equation, that is x plus 2y equal to 3 with number 7. When you do that, you get 7x plus 14y equal to 21. If you observe, the coefficients of x in the first equation and the modified form of the second equation are same, right? Coefficient of x is 7. It is same. So whole idea of multiplying the second equation with number 7 is precisely that. We wanted to make coefficients of variable x in both the equations same or equal. Please take a note of that. The next step is let's subtract second equation from the first equation. Let me write the first equation, that is 7x minus 15y equal to 2, and write the modified form of the second equation below, and let's subtract that from the first equation. When you want to subtract, what you do is you change the signs of all the terms in the equation below and simply add, right? That's what I'm doing now. When you add these two now, what I get is minus 29y equal to minus 19. If you observe this equation, it is a linear equation in one variable, right? It means we have eliminated a variable, that is x, right? This is precisely why we call this method as method of elimination. We started with two equations in two variables, and somehow we now eliminated one variable from that, such that we have only one linear equation in one variable. So when you rearrange this equation, what you get is y equal to 19 by 29, right? The next step involved is we have to substitute value of y into any of the equations such that we can get value of x. So I chose x plus 2y equal to 3 as the equation and rearrange it such that I can write it as x equal to 3 minus 2y. We know that y equal to 19 by 29. Let's substitute that into this equation and simplify it such that you get x equal to 49 by 29. Now x equal to 49 by 29 and y equal to 19 by 29 are the solutions to the pair of given equations, right? This is fairly simple method compared to substitution method. Now let's take a look at an application of method of elimination. Just to understand the method better, let's solve 2x plus 5y equal to 20 and 4x plus 2y equal to 24. As we said earlier, the first step is we have to make coefficients of a variable, that could be x or y, equal, right? Let me write the equations. And if you observe these equations, you may say that, okay, let's multiply equation 1 with number 2 such that it becomes 4x plus 10y equal to 40. Whereas the second equation we have is 4x plus 2y equal to 24. And we made coefficients of x equal, right? It means we are done with step 1. Now we have to subtract one equation from the other. Let me subtract 4x plus 2y equal to 24 from the other equation, that is 4x plus 10y equal to 40. To do that, we change the signs of all the terms in the equation below and simply add term by term, right? When you do that, you get 8y equal to 16. It means y equal to 2, right? Now let's go to the next step, that is substitute value of y obtained now into any of the equations. I chose 2x plus 5y equal to 20 and rearrange that such that I can write it as 2x equal to 20 minus 5y. Let me substitute y equal to 2 into this equation and simplify such that I get 2x equal to 10. It means x equal to 5, right? Now we can write the answer. X equal to 5 and y equal to 2 is the solution to the pair of linear equations given, right? Now I'm going to solve the same problem, that is 2x plus 5y equal to 20 and 4x plus 2y equal to 24 using the elimination method only, but in a slightly different way. As we know, the first step is we have to make coefficients of a variable x or y equal, right? Now let me multiply equation 1 with number 2 such that it becomes 4x plus 10y equal to 40. This is similar to what exactly we have done earlier. Whereas here differently, I am multiplying equation 2 with number 5. When you do that, you get 20x plus 10y equal to 120, right? Let's observe this pair of equations now, modified form of equations. The quotient of variable y is made equal, that is equal to 10, right? So it means we are done with step 1. Now let's go to the step 2, that is subtract one equation from the other. For that, I'm subtracting 4x plus 10y equal to 40 from the other equation 20x plus 10y equal to 120. When I subtract, I get 16x equal to 80. It means x equal to 5. Now let's go to the third step. Substitute value of x into any of the equations. I chose 2x plus 5y equal to 20. So I can rearrange it and write it as 5y equal to 20 minus 2x. Let me substitute x equal to 5 into this equation such that 5y is equal to 10. It means y equal to 2. X equal to 5 and y equal to 2 is the solution for the given pair of equations. This is exactly equal to the solution we have gotten earlier also. Though in that case we have made coefficients of variable x equal and solved the problem. Here we have solved the problem by making the coefficients of variable y equal. Whatever be the way you choose, you will be getting the same answer. I hope you got the point. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel, eCBSE Online Classes on YouTube, and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.